When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me.
Hi, my name is Annette, and welcome to my channel, Simple Life with Ann, where living simply means living affordably. Today, I have a special guest. Say hello, Madison.
Hello!
Today, we are going to make body butter.
Is that the type of butter that you eat?
No, it's not the type of butter that you eat, but it is a type of butter that is great for your body. And all you're going to need are 6 ingredients. You're going to need shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and a little bit of vitamin E oil. And that's it. Your skin is going to feel amazing after you use those simple ingredients to make this body butter.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that
So here are the ingredients. You're going to need 4 cups of your butters. I have a combination of shea, cocoa, and mango butter. You can use it in any proportion that you want as long as you have 4 cups of butter. And here I have a combination of my 2 oils. I have the coconut oil and I have the almond oil, and I actually added a little bit of olive oil, but be careful with the olive oil because it can get a little greasy. And I added a few drops of vitamin E oil. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour the oils into the butter. Then you're going to stick this container into a double boiler. So basically you're going to fill a pot with water and you're going to bring it up to a boil and you're going to stick this in it and you're going to melt and mix it slowly. Once you melt and mix it slowly, you will stick it in the freezer for 30 minutes and you will take it out and mix it. So after taking it out of the freezer, you can see that the outside is solid and the inside is a little soft. So now I'm going to add my essential oil if I want a scented version, and I'm going to try to whip it. So now you add a little oil and then you start whipping it. Give me your hand, Maddie. So when you're done, it should look like whipped frosting and you're ready to use. This is especially helpful right after your bath, and you put this on. It's going to be a little bit oily at first. Let your body soak it in, and that is it. Wonderful body butter for you and your family. And that's it. How simple was that recipe for body butter, Madison?
Very, very simple.
6 ingredients, all natural, chemical free. It is better than any lotion that you can purchase at your local pharmacy or your drugstore. And not to mention the benefits are endless. It has vitamin A, vitamin E. It's great for preventing eczema, dermatitis, and even stretch marks. So Madison, what do we want to tell our audience?
Don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a like.
And don't forget to keep it on the
Simple side.
when I think about the way we